Hey guys, it's a great Sunday morning and I decided to try the celery juice. If you're a health nut, you must have seen the celery juice detox flying around. Those on the green juice bandwagon jumping on it, drinking it for 5 days, drinking it for 7 days, drinking it for 1 month. Recently, Maria, I'll put her comment on the screen, asked me to try it. She wants to hear my thoughts on it. I'm just going to try it, please. I'm just going to taste it because I told her that I've never drank it alone. I've added 1 stalk to a green juice, but that's about it. I don't want to. I see this as onion, you know, like spring onion family. So I don't know what it will taste like, but today I'm finally going to try it so that you don't have to if you don't like this kind of taste. I have my carrot here and apple as backup in case I don't like it, so that I can quickly add a carrot and apple to the juice. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do this morning. Here's what the pack looks like. And this is 1 bunch of celery. If you can buy organic ones where you live, organic is the best. Use it. As with most vegetables, celery is loaded with vitamins A, B, C, K, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These are the micronutrients. What makes celery stand out is its phytonutrients. These are chemicals produced by plants to protect them from germs, fungi, bugs, and other threats. When we eat these plants, these phytonutrients help enhance our immune system because they have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Because of this, it is proven that by regularly consuming phytonutrients, we can effectively keep cancer and heart disease at bay. For these reasons alone, we should be putting these plants into our body on a regular basis. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I will share amazing instant observations I made from my experience drinking this juice. Let's go. It's early in the morning. I've not had anything this morning, so I'm going to drink it on an empty stomach because, you know, taking something on an empty stomach is when it's supposed to work best for you because, you know, there's nothing in your stomach to prevent absorption. So let's go. I'm using my simple juicer. It's just a basic juicer. It's SilverCrest. I bought it from LIDL. If you have LIDL where you live, you can buy this from there. Yeah, that's from me. It's not expensive, but it does a great job. I like it. So let me put it together. It's very easy. Look at the massive container for the chaff. It has a 1 liter jug. Massive, and then it has a big hole so that you can put whole fruits in there. I mean, it's just big enough. My apple, you can see that I cut up my apple. 1 whole apple, especially the kind of apple you have these days. The GMO apples that are massive, you can't go in there. But carrots, yeah, every other vegetable and fruit can go in there whole. We're ready to go. You hear that? They say that the leaves are bitter in the juice, so I'm going to add it, but for now I'm not going to add it. I'm going to drink just the stalk and then I'll add the leaves to tell you the difference in the taste. All right. Baby, I'll call my husband to come and drink with me. Because that one, he likes everything. He doesn't complain about anything in this one. It's hard for him to eat something and say, oh, that doesn't taste good. So he's going to be a lab rat. I'll be at the other end of the spectrum because I am very picky. Baby, come, let's drink. Okay, I got, so far, that's a big bunch of celery. Yeah, it's the biggest bunch in the shop when I was buying. So I have this remaining. Like I said, I'll not put these ones with the leaves for now. And I got a little bit above 400 mils. I'll put on the screen how many cups this is. And then, come on. I don't know if this thing will get to your height too, because... So this is our lab rat. Okay. He's going to drink. This guy's buy a little bit more. Oh yeah, cheers. You see how he drank it without even smelling it?
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, I don't know what it tastes like. What does it taste like?
I don't know exactly, but...
Tasting like salt, baking soda, something like that.
A little bit of salt.
Little bit, yeah. And it tastes like the skin of sugarcane.
Not too bad.
This is what comes to mind.
It's not too bitter, that's the problem.
It's not even bitter. I wouldn't call this bitter at all. No. I wouldn't call this bitter.
It's not bitter.
It's not bitter in any way, but I don't know. It tastes like the skin of sugarcane. If you have ever eaten sugarcane, and when you peel off the skin, you put the skin in your mouth and chew it. I know in those days, if you have like the skin has a little bit of sugarcane left in there, so we used to chew it. So this is a little bit of, it's not sugary, but this is the kind of vibes I'm getting. Like, I don't know, the stalk of something. It doesn't even taste like onions. Like I thought it would have this strong onion taste. No.
This kind of drink, you don't smell it before.
You don't smell it before?
If you smell it, it will put you off. So you better put the mouth on.
I needed to smell so that I can, you know, give a 100% review about look, smell, and taste. It's not bad. This is not bad at all, I must say. I'm a very picky person. And this is not bad. The taste is not... I mean, I thought it would be nauseating. Like, I would want to throw...
It has a bland taste.
Bland with a little bit of salt. Something that is not, that doesn't have enough salt. Yeah, but the salt is there. I don't know. You should try this. And now I just belched, and I mean, it didn't smell bad. It's not bad at all. And I can feel it going to my bloodstream. No, honestly. It gives me this kind of, like the feeling I get when I drink detox water. Belched. Okay, let's make the, I want to make the one with the leaves because I saw some videos saying that these ones with the leaves are bitter. Let me make it an firm. Then we can compare with the color of this one is a little bit different. Taste it. Yeah, it's true. Yeah.
I'm not the same. This is light.
Yeah, but yeah, it's for me. I noticed that. Do you want more?
Yeah.
The one with the leaves has an aftertaste, like after drinking it, you can still taste it, but and I'm someone that, yeah, the smell of something puts off easily. It's not bad at all. I used to look at it like something that, because it looks like onion stock, I kind of thought it would be like, what's the name of the other one? Leek. I used to think that it would be like leek. Tastes good, no?
Tastes bland, but good.
Hey.
So carry on.
In Igbo we say, Ejiho ya weyoku, because he likes everything. He likes everything. But if you're picky, I'm on one end of the spectrum, and I'm telling you that it's good.
Everything edible, eatable.
He puts it in there. So I'm on that end of the spectrum telling you that it's great, and he's on the other end of the spectrum of people that like eating everything or don't mind eating everything. You see how he threw down that drink without even smelling it, but me, I'll smell, touch, feel it before I put it in my body. Anyway,
okay, see ya guys, see ya.
See you. So guys, after having a bit of time to get my thoughts together, these are my final thoughts on the celery juice, based on first impressions. It looks good. You can see that the juice is a clear green juice. It's not like some green juices that are very dark, that look like they will be bitter. The look is good. The taste is good. I was saying a lot of things during the video, and my final thoughts on the taste is that it tastes like baking soda. Yeah. It tastes like when you add a little bit of baking soda to a glass of water and drink it. That's what it tastes like to me. The bitter one is noticeable. It's not really bitter, but it just has a stronger celery taste. Is noticeable, but I am sure that if I had added the leaves, you know, like made all of them as a juice, you wouldn't notice it. I think it was more prominent because I made them differently, you know, the ones with the leaves. So I believe on that one bunch, that number of leaves should not affect the taste by much if I had done everything, the whole bunch, as one batch of juice. So I would say add the leaves. I mean, to get the full benefits, all the benefits. I had an aftertaste of the one with the leaves, but like I said, if you mix everything together, it shouldn't be noticeable. And I mean, it's been 20 minutes since we drank that, and I don't really feel any different. My stomach is not rumbling. I wasn't bloated before I drank it, so I can't really tell you that it reduced my bloating. Maybe much later in the day, I would see if I'll have bowel movement. Yeah, it's something that you can drink if you think that you can benefit from all those things that they say that you can benefit from by drinking celery juice for 1 week, for 1 month. Go ahead and drink it. I guarantee you this juice is something that you can drink for as long as possible. It wouldn't put you off. You don't feel like, it's not like all those strong juices that you drink. Probably you drink it in the morning, you won't be able to go to work because you feel kind of off. So yeah, I would say drink it. Like I said, I used to think that it would taste like leek juice, but no, not at all. It doesn't taste like that. This is one proof that looks can be deceiving. Don't judge a book by its cover. So I would say go ahead and try it. If you want to improve your complexion, as they said, you can try it for as many days as you want and see if it works for you. I don't really need all those benefits that they are talking about that you can get from it. If you want to reduce your tummy or something like that, and you feel that it can work for you or you can benefit from that, you can drink it for the number of days you want to drink it and see if it works for you. I read online that it's safe to drink it, that it doesn't like poison your body if you take it that often or if you take it every day. That is something that is safe to drink on a daily basis. So why not? Go ahead and try it. You know, it doesn't hurt to try. It's been 5 hours since I drank the celery juice, and I have 3 major observations to share with you. The first one is that I feel that I've eaten. Yeah, I don't have this push on my stomach like when you're really full, but I have this mental feeling that I've eaten. My body is not asking me for food. So if you're trying to lose weight, I think that this celery juice will be a great way to trick your body into thinking that it has eaten. It's like skipping breakfast without skipping it, if you know what I mean. You may be able to go for as long as possible without eating. That way you can cut down on the calories of, the calorie that comes with eating a normal full breakfast. I think it would make a great weight loss drink. For the fact that I've not eaten till now and I still don't feel hungry, I believe that it slows down your appetite or something like that. The second observation I made is that I have this calmness, this calm feeling. When I was drinking it, I was like saying that I felt it going into my bloodstream. This may well be a very relaxing drink, something that will be good to have at the end of a stressful day. Yeah, so if you're nervous, if you're worked up, you're stressed out, I suggest that you drink celery juice. Yeah. And when it comes to my small room routine, I've not noticed any changes so far. Yeah, everything is going on as usual. I know that I'm not easily affected by what I eat. Like my stomach is not easily affected by what I eat. My husband is the one that is easily affected by what he eats. He's on the other end of the spectrum when it comes to this. But he has reported that no changes whatsoever in his small room routine. We'll keep watching on, and whenever I find anything different in my body, I would share, maybe in a post on my community page. If you go to my channel, look at the top, you'll see community tab. Click it. I share lots of things there that I never get to share in my videos. Bye bye. See you soon.